Most coaches and consultants do not want to drown in technology in order to run their businesses. And for a lot of them, this is the main thing that's holding them back. A lot of my clients ask me, how do I build my website? How do I set up my funnel? What do you use to send your emails? Most of the time when they ask me questions like this, my answer is one word: Kajabi. I've used Kajabi for years, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a high-level overview, Kajabi for dummies, Cliff Notes kind of thing, where I tell you basically what it does and why you should care. So my business is online coaching. I create content on YouTube, Instagram, podcasts, etc. And then I push people to lead magnets to grow my email list. Email is where most of the money is made in this business. You have to grow your email list. In order to do that, you have to offer people something of value so that they will give you their email. So you create irresistible lead magnets and then you give them away using funnels that you create in Kajabi. A funnel is just like that squeeze page, enter your name and email, they enter it, and then they download the thing. Then you can take them somewhere else on the thank you page. You can put them into an email sequence where you build a relationship and ultimately sell your offer. Now you can also send those emails in that sequence with Kajabi, and you can promote your offers, push them to pages where they can check out. Kajabi links seamlessly with Stripe, which handles all the payment stuff. You can even create an affiliate link so that other people can promote your product and be paid a commission. Then once you have customers, you can put them into your online courses in Kajabi. It's a really clean layout. In fact, most gurus from the beginning of time have stored their courses on Kajabi, even if they use ClickFunnels or Infusionsoft for their funnels and their website. Kajabi has a deal with a company called Wistia to host their videos, and Wistia is an expensive video hosting company. Their players are really snappy and crisp and super fast. That means every video you put on Kajabi anywhere, on your blog, on your website, in your funnels, in your online courses, is all hosted through Wistia automatically, and that makes for a very pleasurable experience for everyone that encounters your stuff. Also, here's 4 other big reasons why I love Kajabi. 1, you can build and host your website on there. 2, Kajabi just rolled out a new and improved community feature, so you can build an online community on Kajabi so your customers can all interact with each other. You know, it's like a Facebook group, but without having to log into Facebook. You can also have a calendar inside of your community, and people can add the events to their Google Calendar. You can actually do video calls inside of Kajabi now. You don't even have to use Zoom. You can host your podcast on Kajabi, and their support is great. Anytime I have a problem, I just hop into the chat and they always give me the solution. Kajabi is the top all-in-one platform for online coaches and consultants. It's even used by Brendan Burchard to run his 9-figure business. So I love Kajabi. I plan to use it for years to come. If you want to try it out for free for 30 days, I've included a link for that for a free trial in the description. And if you have questions about the types of funnels you should be building in Kajabi, like the best strategy as an online coach to get emails and to promote your offers, check out this video where I tell you about the 2 core funnels to set up so that you can succeed as an online coach. And if you wouldn't mind smashing the like or subscribe button, that would mean a ton to me. Thank you all for watching.